Jeff Hansen, Window Warriors Forum. Check us out, windowcleaningwarriors.com. Today we're going to take a look at just add-ons. I've talked about add-ons before. What can we do to make more money per stop if it's in the realm of the services we provide? We only provide window cleaning, so everything's going to be window cleaning based, with the exception is going to be maybe high dustings of lobbies, entryways. You can see right behind me are partition doors. So we're inside a facility today, 2 city square block, and it has a dining area here. So you'll see right behind me again here, floor to ceiling partitions, all glass, something that is very hard for this customer to keep up on their own. And here's another one where it's a divider, all glass partitions. Now these are truly divided. This is a higher end facility, so these dividers here are going to be true dividers. So it's time consuming. So for their staff, it makes it tough for their staff to get, and they sit about 8 feet, 9 feet off the ground. So that makes another issue for them to be able to access. So we take a look as we're doing this whole hallway on the window side. That's part of our scope of work, inside and out of exterior windows. We also got them to add on the other side here, which is going to be partitions, and even on this side, truly divided, higher end custom windows. So look to see what you have at certain job sites. What could be an add-on? Is there more glass you can clean? Take a look at your walkthrough and see if you can notice areas that are dirty. Just point it out. Mention you can add it on as an additional line item, so at any point the customer can make that choice if they want to have that cleaned or not. But at least your initial walkthrough is going to incorporate all those different prices, so you don't have to make a second stop out to a facility if they see the need arises and say, hey, can you come with these partitions? You already did that, you pre-thought this, and you brought it to their attention. So look at one way to maybe get some add-ons, add more money to a current job site. It's out here, Window Warriors Forum.